Ignite is our after-school program for middle school students. It's twice a week on Tuesdays and Wednesdays.
They are providing resources for kids to understand how to be responsible citizens in our society.
1, 2, 3. When they first get there, I think it's about maybe 5 minutes of just meditation, mindfulness.
I love doing that, like after school, like could have been a rough day or a good day, we just meditate so we're not having that same energy.
Homework time is just where we get to finish our homework, whoever has homework and whoever doesn't.
I'm a teacher, so I help some of the kids with their homework and just check in with them. How was your day? How are things going?
We're also able to serve as another accountability partner outside of the school, outside of their parents.
Everybody can open up their chicken.
And then after homework time, there's some sort of enrichment. That enrichment could be yoga, it could be self-defense.
We have cooking, coding, we have STEM.
Today we were doing some things around chemical reactions, but we've done robotics, chemistry, biology.
Yoga is probably one of my favorites because it is the quietest that we ever see the students.
We move through games, we move their bodies, teach them how to breathe, cope with stress.
I love cooking. We get to go in the kitchen, actually do it ourselves, look at the recipe.
You work with people that you don't normally talk to, so it's like kind of cool that you get to work with people that you don't usually work with.
Every mistake that you make, you're going to learn from.
They get exposed to different things that maybe they're not exposed to, in school. And so they're learning new things and they're excited about things.
Trying new things, it just gets you to learn what you can do and just not stick with just one thing, but stick with multiple things that you can do.
You're giving them things that they will use as they go through their life.
These are hard skills that they can take with them and turn into a major or a career.
That chemical reaction created a sound.
I think in after school it's a lot less pressure. There's no grades. There's no getting it wrong. If it doesn't work, it just doesn't work. We're in after school. It's just a lot less pressure.
I just really like learning new things and everything that I'm gonna use when I grow up. And it's just like really fun to do it with like people that I hang out with and even people I don't hang out with.
It builds them up, it builds their character. It lets them be able to take their role when they become older and become leaders.
To be able to bring these children to a place where they can be contributing members of our society in such a great way.